Do you know Kazakh traditional food bauırsak? If you don't know to make bauırsak, Janerke will teach us. Janerke, will you help us?
Of course, Aslay. Then
Let's start! Mix the ingredients together in a large bowl with your hands. Milk, eggs, one, yes.
we separate our dough like a ball. Then we will start to roll. Separate our dough like a ball. Then we will start to roll. Our dough is ready, and we will cut with the glass like a circle. Dough is ready, and our doughs are ready to cook, and Aslay will help me to cook. We drop the doughs to oil. Our bauırsaks are ready. Kazakh traditional and lovely food bauırsak is ready. Enjoy.